company Next Media Animation's version of the interview. So I joined the proud ranks of Charlie Sheen's Naked Hotel Attack and Russian bears eat graveyard corpses. That may be my favorite thing ever. Of course, this is our last show in the town of Washington, D.C. With the midterms just days away, we're going to check in with the best news team on television, covering every angle from the nation's capital, starting with Samantha B. Sam, what's your prediction for the Republican chances? Are you ready? Sam, I'm sorry. You look like you're at an open house.
Well, John, I am a licensed broker. And here in D.C., we refer to the midterms as the biennial running of the real estate.
Well, it does look like a nice place behind it.
Oh, John, it's more than nice. May I?
Sure.
Yes, you can. Come home to this eco-friendly colonial, ideal for a mixed-race family or a same-sex couple looking to adopt. Compost bin and hot tub accentuate. Now, hold on a second. Wait a second. Oh, sorry. This is the offer sheet for